Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Pick up a water catcher, scaffold, and blocks. Place the scaffold on a flat, elevated 1x1 pad near an exposed water source or open sky. This ensures flow. Once scaffold is secure, set the catcher on top so its opening faces the water or expected rain. Make sure you orient it toward the source, otherwise you lose collection efficiency. This first placement sets the rhythm for filling. Practice one placement until you mentally map the catcher's opening and flow direction. Once done with placement, connect a channel to guide water into the catcher. A narrow gutter or pipe, sloped about 1 to 8, keeps flow steady without pooling. Place overflow blocks or pipes to prevent backwash from emptying the catcher when levels rise. If your environment causes splashing, add a small covered funnel 1 block above the catcher. This captures droplets and reduces evaporation. Make sure to test the flow with a small volume. Adjust slope and alignment until water consistently enters the catcher. To finish, connect the catcher outlet to a storage tank or barrels using rigid piping and a fill valve to prevent overflow. Once connected, transfer collected water into closed containers to avoid contamination. If you see reduced collection, do a quick troubleshooting step. Check orientation toward the source, clear any debris from the inlet, and slightly change the slope by 1 to 2 degrees to re-establish flow. A simple filter or mesh at the inlet prevents clogs, and regular checks keep the catcher productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.